Seriously. One-handed. What dumb shit can you do on a raft? One-handed, two-handed. I can try to sit across the rails. We should both try to do it. Let's see if we can try to float. That's a different side.
Oh. I gave you a straight face. Oh. Oh, that's a way to cool off. That's a hot day.
I'm glad I stayed. That was fun.
Yeah, that is.
Even though I was so scared.
You did amazing. Oh my God, you did so good.
Are you sure? I don't know. How long do you want me to swim for? I don't know.
You've been out there for an hour.
I know.
It's been an hour.
But like the questions,
Like I flew the drone for 20 minutes.
That's why I was like, let's go snorkel. But like, yeah, there's still that part of you that's like, the shit's gonna bite you. What's that, Rebecca? Oh, you want me to drop you off in the middle of the ocean to go snorkeling with sharks? Cool. Sure, you know you'll do that. But those rocks on Georgian Bay or that ship that's been sunk for how many years?
It's not moving or going anywhere.
It's not moving or going anywhere. It doesn't have teeth. Ready to warm up?
Same here. The water was fine till the sun went down. Alright, let's go have something to eat. And ice cream. Oh, we're good. I'll take ice cream. Mm-hmm.
See, my plan is if I eat some ice cream, I know you won't eat all the drumstick on me. But if I eat the drumstick and no ice cream, I know that potentially, if I leave, you will eat all the ice cream. So I won't get to have any.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Can't just enjoy a day without arguing, can you?
Elephant shoe. Oh my God, mosquitoes.
Yeah, exactly. Let's get this over with and go home. Yeah, if you want. Oh! These are wetsuit neoprene seat covers.
Nailed it.
Nailed it. Okay, that's it. Let's go home. So we can have ice cream for dinner. Because apparently I can't eat any when you're gone.